guys, today I am going to make an cozy free aesthetic bakery. Now I had this small house that I didn't use, so I thought why not make an bakery like the one, that one. I don't know what it's called, but let's make. So first of all, we are going to make an counter area, and if you like my idea, you can do what I am doing. So first of all, I'm going to grab this picture because it looks really good, like aesthetic type. Now I'm going to grab this shelf and another desk and these curtains and move them right over here. Now let's just put this, because you remember how I put this in the last video. Now put some books and something to fill this place. Now put this plant right over here and put this box and find any plant you like. I like this plant. And I am going to put these things that I have gotten in the shelves. Okay, now we're going to make this dog sit right over there and grab the flower. And let's put this chair right over. Wait, I should grab... I should grab any kind of this. I love this section. I know it is of Halloween, but it's not right now. But it is the best I could think of. Now, let's just grab this key. And then we're going to add this cash register. Now grab this dog and put it right over here, and then let me just delete this, and then put this car if you wanna. I just put it because it's orange, okay? Now put this camera right over here. I just brought it because I thought it would be good. Now let me just take out this basket out of that box and delete this box. Now let's just start putting this and right over here, and we're finished in this area. Now let's start where the customers eat. Now, we are going to make the style like that, cozy bakery, but because of some free furniture issue, like they can't do like that, or the sofa won't look good, we are going to put the desks that I put earlier as the cash register one. And now grab this desk and put these two, and grab a plant which I love to use. Now we're not using the white one because it won't cover it. Now let's just grab these two plants and put these right over here. You guys will say, this is super boring idea that you are making. Now, when you will decorate, you will see what I'm talking about. When you always decorate in Toca Boca World, it will be super good. And I always use these chairs because the white chairs don't give that vibe that I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to grab some of the shelf so I can put these stuff, and you will say that why do I have that gray box, because they have the white ones and we don't have it in bathroom here. Just kidding, we're just putting this because I like how the box is. Now just put these shelves and you will be good at this place. And let me just put these. Now put this flower and let me just remove this white shelf and put this teddy bear or the bread one because it gives an bakery vibe like the bread, and it's aesthetic and I love it. It's super cute. Now put this box and put another shelf. Ooh, I can't put it. Now let's pick up the middle shelf, this one. Now put the perfume. Put this, what should we add more? Now we are going to add this plant, and then we are going to add that box of cookies because I want it to be there, or we can put dog food because I always put this when I don't know what to put anywhere. Like now I am going to put the Halloween side ones that I'm going to put. I am not putting the pumpkins one because it will look like I'm decorating it a bit Halloweeny type. We don't want it to look like Halloween type, or you can put the pumpkins too if you want at Halloween. Now let's just make the kitchen, and we're just going to add a fridge in front of the sink like the bakery. And now let's just start putting the desks. Now this desk. Whenever I say desk, I mean by this desk, okay guys? Now let's put this in a good arrangement. Now let me just move this a little bit. It will take a little long to make this fit, okay guys? To follow me, okay? Now you are going to put let me just arrange this first. Sorry guys. Now put the thingy that I always put in my kitchen. Now let's put the decorating stuff. Now let's just put that thingy I was talking about that I put. Let me just find it. Now this is the thingy that I was talking about. Sorry guys, that I don't know the names of some of these stuff, okay? So I'm just going to nickname this my kitchen, okay? My kit. Now let's just put more furniture and let's speed up, okay? 3x speed. Now let's just put more stuff. This because where the employees put their stuff, and now we're almost done, and I'm going to put some stuff, and like I put in my old house, I'm not going to put those stuff, and this is the result of the kitchen, and I hope you like it. Now please like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.